Hi, my name is Richard M. Sidel from BSB HRTH. Requirements 1. Labor-related incidents. Choosing a significant incidents. Dasha and Luisita Master 2004. These incidents involve a violent clash between striking farm workers and security forces, resulting in deaths and injuries. It highlights issue of land reform, worker rights, and the power dynamics between landowners and laborers. The Menjola Massacre, 1987, this event involved a protest march by farmers demanding land reform that ended tragically with deaths of numerous protesters at the hand of government forces. It's a significant event in Philippine history, illustrating the struggle of marginalized farmers. Researching specific cases of union-related violence will provide a detailed look at the challenges faced by labor organizers. News archives and labor union website are good resources. Background provide context. What were the underlying issues leading to the incident? What were the conditions of the workers involved? What was the role of the union or organization? Key events. Chronologically detail the events leading up to, during, and after the incident. Use precise dates and verifiable information. Causes. Analyze the root causes of the conflict. Were the issue of unfair labor practices, low wages, unsafe working conditions, or political repression. Consequences. Discuss the immediate and long-term consequences of the incident. Were the legal repercussions? Did the incident lead to changes in labor law or practices? What was the impact on the workers and their families? Philippine labor history. What the lesson can be learned? Students should incorporate relevant photos to enhance their presentation. This could include image of the incident itself, photos of the workers involved, image depicting the working condition, and photos related to the aftermath. Always cite the source of the image. Requirement 2. Filipino labor leader. Selecting a labor leader. Research is crucial here. Students should find a labor leader whose death was directly linked to their labor activism. This might require searching news archives, academic database, and labor union website. Example might include leaders who were assassinated or died under suspicious circumstances due their advocacy for workers' rights. Biography. Provide biographical information about the labor leader, including their background, their involvement in the labor movement, and their key contributes. Activism and advocacy. Detail the work as a labor leader. What issue did they champion? What strategies did they employ? What were their achievements? Circumstances of death. Clearly and factually describe and circumstances surrounding their death. Avoid speculation or unsubstantiated claims. Legacy. Discuss the lasting impact of the labor leader work and their death on the Filipino labor movement and society as a whole. Did they lead to increased awareness or changes in the labor practices? Yun lang po. Thank you po.